Hey everyone, today I want to show you a very simple way to find out the day based on a date in the past. It's again very easy to do, very simple, and so it just requires a very simple formula. So I've got a couple of dates here from the past, and we're just going to go ahead and figure out what day these dates landed on. So all we have to do is equal text. We'll hit tab there. And then it's going to ask us for a value. So the value is just going to be the date that we are looking for that day. So we'll go ahead and click this date over here to the left, and then we'll hit comma. And it's going to ask us how we want to format the text. And in this situation, there's a couple different things we can do. We're going to go ahead and just do quotation marks, D, quotation marks again, and then close parentheses. And then we're going to hit enter. And it's going to give us the abbreviated day for that day in history. We can go ahead and drag this down, and it will show us what day these dates in history took place on. But you'll see here we're getting abbreviated dates, so just Sat, Wednesday, Wed, Sunday. Let's say we wanted to change that, get the full word for the date. All we have to do is do 4 Ds, and we've got to make sure that they're inside those quotation marks, and we have our closed parentheses. If we enter again, it's going to give us that full day. So then we can just drag that down, and it is going to give us again those full entire days. So we have that. And again, this is just a very simple way using the text function to find out what day a certain date lands on in the past. I hope this answers any questions around this. Please let me know if you have any follow-up questions, and please subscribe to the Excel Guy. Thanks and have a great day.